Good morning. Man, did we have a storm yesterday. Not last night, the night before, it started raining. And then I woke up like at 3 in the morning and I looked out the back window, turned the light on. I'm like, oh yeah, it's raining really good now. I turned the light off and I'm like, wait a minute. Turn the light back on. Had melted all the snow. And it was like 50 degrees. Rained all day yesterday, and then yesterday afternoon, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 o'clock, the wind started. My little weather station up there, a little spinny thing, it peaked out at 48.5 miles per hour, and now there's a whole bunch of trees down on the road, and people can't get out. So I'm going to get the side-by-side, going to get the chainsaw loaded up. The town will probably come and do it at some point. But I'm going to go down there and at least clear it a little bit and get the road opened up. All right, back in a minute. So that's the first tree. One down there, another one over there. I'm going to get this cut up at least back to here and get it drug off the road. Do the same thing with that one down there, because when I went around it earlier, God, man, I got 4-wheel drive in my truck. I almost got stuck. So let's get the chainsaw out, do a little street maintenance. Back in a minute. All right. Got that cleared out good enough where people can get through. I ain't worried about that one. That one's cleared out, but you can see I had to drive around it. It's pretty muddy. That's where I went through to get around the dang thing this morning. Oh man. Good thing I got four-wheel drive. Okay, so let's head back to the cabin and figure out what I want to do today. I think I did my good deed for the day. I'll let the town come and do whatever they do with it. And those were the three that were in the way. The one that's down around the corner, I think the neighbor down there cut it because it was already cut when I came back through this morning. All right, back in a minute.